In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SEO descriptions in Squarespace to enhance your site's visibility and drive more traffic. Whether you're a small business owner or a creative professional, optimizing your website's SEO is crucial for reaching a wider audience and showcasing your work in the best possible light. Let's dive in and make sure your site stands out in those search results. First things first, let's get started by logging into your Squarespace account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. This is your main dashboard, and from here, you'll have access to various sections of your site. Next, locate and click on the Website button. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all aspects of your site, from design to analytics. To add your SEO descriptions, you'll need to select Pages from the menu. This section lists all the pages that make up your website. Now find the specific page where you want to add or update your SEO description. Hover over the page name to reveal the settings icon, which typically looks like a small gear or a wrench. Go ahead and click on this icon. This will open a window with various options related to your page. In this settings window, you'll notice a tab labeled SEO. Click on this tab and you'll be directed to a section where you can edit your page's SEO settings. This is where you can really make your page more discoverable to search engines. You'll see fields to enter both an SEO title and an SEO description. When adding your SEO title, remember that you have a limit of up to 100 characters, so make it count. Try to include relevant keywords that potential visitors might use to find your site. The same goes for the SEO description field. Use up to 100 characters to provide a concise and compelling summary of your page's content. Think about what will entice people to click when they see your link in search results. Once you've filled in your SEO title and description, double-check your entries for accuracy and relevancy. This is an important step, as your SEO efforts will reflect directly in search engine results. When you're happy with the information you've inputted, click Save. Your SEO details are now added to your page, helping improve your site's visibility over time. And there you have it. You've successfully added an SEO description in Squarespace, setting the foundation for increased visibility. Regularly updating your pages with relevant SEO information is a fantastic practice to keep your site current and competitive. Keep experimenting and optimizing, and soon you'll see the benefits of a well-optimized website. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing.